everyone. Wish you all an amazing new year. We wanted to have a great start in 2021. So, one of the things we did is we went on a family hike. It is a short 3-mile hike, but a steep one for sure. The hike was great at the start. But a thrilling one in the end. The trail is a loop. One half goes downhill while the other half goes uphill. Since we were a bit slow and enjoying the views, it took us 1.5 hours, which is 90 minutes, to complete. We started the trail by 4:30, so we had to complete the trail in darkness and no one around. Luckily, we had a flashlight on our phone. As you can see, the views are amazing. And we finally made it back to the parking spot. I loved the hike at first, but at the end, let's just say that it was pretty thrilling. So I'm very excited to go on more hikes and share them with you. So I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!